Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on February the 16th, 2021. AstraZeneca's vaccine approved for emergency use. The World Health Organization on Monday approved AstraZeneca and Oxford University's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use, increasing access to the relatively inexpensive vaccine in developing regions of the world. AstraZeneca said in a statement that they now have everything they need to distribute vaccines quickly, they just need to increase production several times over. More than 300 million doses of vaccine are expected to be made available to 145 countries under COVAX in the first half of 2021. COVAX is a global initiative to ensure equal access to COVID-19 vaccines for all countries, regardless of income level. The WHO approved two versions of the vaccine, the first produced by AstraZeneca-SKBio in South Korea and the second by the Serum Institute of India. British regulator probes in eBay-Adevinta deal. The British Competition Authority has raised concerns about its planned acquisition of Norway's Adevinta, the classified and business of eBay-Adevinta said Tuesday, all because the $9.2 billion deal announced in July would create the world's largest classified ad group. The UK, where Adevinta and eBay compete with other players, accounts for less than 10% of eBay's consolidated classified business revenue and 1% of Adevinta's consolidated revenue, according to the company's statement. Adevinta and eBay will jointly propose legally binding solutions to address the regulator's concerns by February the 23rd. After that, the CMA will have 5 business days to consider whether to accept their proposals or send the deal for an in-depth investigation, the firm said. The company will provide an update in early March after the decision is made. Severe frost in Texas pushes oil prices up. Oil prices rose on Tuesday after a cold snap shut down wells and refineries in the largest oil-producing state in the United States, Texas. About 8 million people were left without electricity. Optimism about a global economic recovery thanks to the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccination program also continues to play into fuel prices. Brent crude oil futures are up 0.36%, while WTI crude oil is up 1.21% a barrel. Utilities in the U.S. state of Texas are struggling to cope with record electricity use as temperatures continue to freeze, forcing the state grid operator to resort to power outages Monday. According to the Energy Information Administration, Texas has 31 refineries, more than any other state in the United States, and the state produces a total of 4.6 million barrels of oil a day. Asian markets rise, extending their winning streak. Asian stocks rallied Tuesday, setting the stage for the continuation of a winning streak in stocks for the 12th straight session. Investors bet on the introduction of coronavirus vaccines to support a global economic recovery. The broadest index of MSCI stocks in the Asia-Pacific region outside Japan rose 0.62%, while Japan's Nikkei gained 1.4% to a 30-year high. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng rose 1.4% to a 32-month high. Markets in mainland China will remain closed for the holiday through Thursday. The rise in Asian stocks paved the way for a resurgence of optimism in the global markets. Alex Wolf, head of Asian investment strategy at JP Morgan Private Bank, said the continued introduction of a coronavirus vaccine gives investors confidence that global growth will be protected in 2021. The pan-European stock 600 was up 0.2% after jumping 1.3% in the previous session to its highest level since February 2020.